In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kajabi 2025 Beginners Tutorial. To get started, sign in to your Kajabi account and head to the main dashboard. This is the central control area where you can quickly understand what's happening inside your business. When you first arrive here, take a moment to review the overview on screen. You'll typically see recent activity, site performance, and important metrics that help you track how your business is doing at a glance. This dashboard is useful because it gives you a quick summary before you jump into specific tasks. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This menu is one of the most important parts of Kajabi because it gives you access to the main sections of the platform. You'll use it to move between products, sales, marketing, website, people, and analytics. If you're new to Kajabi, it helps to become familiar with this layout early since most of your work will begin from this menu. If you want to create or manage courses, go into the products section. This is where your course content lives and where you can organize your educational materials. Whether you're building something from scratch or updating an existing product, this area is designed to help you manage your learning content in one place. For pricing and monetization, open the sales section. Here, you can set up offers, configure payments, and manage subscriptions. This area is especially important if you plan to sell courses, memberships, or digital products. Make sure to review your setup carefully so your customers have a smooth checkout experience. To handle communication and promotion, use the marketing menu. This is where you can build email campaigns and create automations. Automations can save time by helping you send the right messages at the right moment, so this section is worth getting comfortable with as your business grows. If you want to adjust the look and feel of your online presence, head to the website section. Here, you can customize pages and work with themes to make your site match your brand. It's a good idea to preview your edits as you go so you can make sure everything looks clean and professional. To manage your audience, open the people section. This is where you can organize customers, members, and contacts. It's useful for keeping track of who's in your system and how they interact with your business. Finally, check the analytics dashboard to monitor overall performance.